Welcome to the English version of filling a word in the Guono dictionary. We're going to show how to input the word constitution in the dictionary for the English version. In the head word field, we input the word constitution. Now we select the part of speech, noun. Just like in the robo section, we do not have any related word, opposite word, or scientific name. So we move to the UFO pronunciation field. To get the pronunciation, we go to the browser, search Constitution pronunciation. Then we copy the pronunciation on the screen and paste it in the Guono dictionary platform. Now we move to the phonetic field. We search phonetic of Constitution in the Google browser. We copy the phonetics on the screen, then paste it in the Guono dictionary platform. Now we move to the meaning field. We input the meaning of the word. Once we're done imputing that, we move to the example field. In this field, just like the Yoruba version, it was stated we need nothing less than 3 examples. And the examples in the English version must be equivalent to the examples in the Yoruba section. Now we input the plural of the word in the plural field. Once this is done, we are done inputting the word constitution from the Yoruba section down to the English section. Now you can fill in an Yoruba word in the Guono dictionary.